I'm Scott Gibbons. I'm here at Parravans at Windsor in New South Wales. Fabulous vans, great selection. If you want a 5-bedder, have a look at this. It's the Legion family van. It's a genuine 5-bedder with so many features for you to create great memories with your family. You want to see them? Come on, let me show you. Oh, this is the Legion 21'6" 5-berth, and have a look at the main bedroom. That's a queen bed. And beside the bed, see those little reading pockets? They've got USB points in them. So you can put your social media devices in there, charge them up in the night time. Everything's lovely. You've got reading lights, you've got lovely lights all the way around you, a padded bed head, and of course, this amazing skylight right above the bed. So clever. But that's not all. There's 3 more beds. Now, each of those beds have their own reading light, have their own window, are so easily accessed, and they're just super, super comfy. And there's a butte skylight. But importantly, if you only want 2 beds, then tell Parravans and they will build it with 2 beds and give you additional storage underneath where the 3rd bunk would normally be. But if 5 isn't enough and you need an extra bed, or maybe an extra bed for 2 littlies, this table lowers down and the L-shaped lounge becomes more bedding. Isn't that clever? Now the kitchen, absolutely fabulous because you've got a terrific sink area, flick mix tap, filtered water, which is excellent. The cooker has a grill as well, so you've got 3 gas, 1 electric, and a butte range hood, and a fabulous 3-way fridge and a microwave too. So the kitchen has so much storage space. It's absolutely fabulous. The drawers, there's plenty of them. Plus there's a great big appliance cupboard, a pot drawer, and there's even a slide-out pantry. And then all of the eye-line cupboards have piano hinges and double gas struts. Now storage, everyone wants storage space. This has got so much. Even under the L-shaped lounge, there's more storage. Lift up the bed with the gas struts, so easy to do. Lots of storage there. Go outside, you've got a metal toolbox. You've got a tunnel boot. There's even more storage in the bathroom. But in the bunk area, segmented wardrobe space for each of the bunks, plus a massive drawer, and then underneath that, a slide-out top-loader washing machine. Here I am. This is the bathroom and private change room with privacy curtain. Now here's where it gets really good. You've got a Thetford toilet. Now here's the window, but importantly it's got a screen and it's got a blind, and you can adjust those to suit yourself. Then you've got the sky hatch up here. Now that's an exhaust fan and air vent. Very, very good because that's straight in the bathroom, takes away the steam, takes away anything else. Then there's storage up here. You've got the mirror, you've got the vanity, more storage down here, and then a mighty shower with another exhaust fan, more lighting, and even a hand one, so if you want to wash the little ones, you can. Now the electronics in the Legion are already fabulous, including having a BM Pro battery plus 35-2HA, which means that it's lithium compatible. There's also the Odyssey Link, there's air conditioning, a radio with DVD, solar's already included, there's 2 210-watt collectors, there's USB and C points, plus a TV aerial as standard, and there's a ceiling-mounted adjustable fan. Now this is the touring suspension, but if you want to go more off-road, then go to the website and have a look at the Chariot and Gladiator packs, and you will be happy. And for when you're going on one of those great trips, don't forget that Legion include on this model 2 95-litre water tanks and a 95-litre grey tank, so you can go to national parks. Hey, to find out more, all you've got to do is give Parravans a call on 02 4577 5577, 02 4577 5577, or go to their website parravans.com.au, parravans.com.au, and they'll get you into your Legion.